Okay, so here we have a leather case for the AirPods 3, the 3rd gen. Journey does excellent cases and watch bands. I have this watch band, for example, from Journey for my Apple Watch. And this leather case is in tan leather color. So it should be a bit lighter than this watch band. And here we have a pair of AirPods 3. So I will unbox this leather case and then mount it on the AirPods 3. And as usual from Journey, excellent packaging. As you can see, really beautiful packaging, even leather here on this strap. And here we can see the famous day 1 color and the day 100 color. The Journey watch bands and Journey cases should age beautifully. So hopefully this has already aged a lot in just about a month, almost a month. So in 100 days it should be aged perfectly fine. And the same with this leather case for AirPods 3. Natural leather, full grain, European leather. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, as you can see, really beautiful packaging. I love the way they package their products. Very nice. And here we have the case itself. And that's what's in the box. So very, very nice packaging. Very simple packaging and very beautiful. It's like an Apple box, even more beautiful with a leather strap. And here we have the case itself, and as you can see on the top it has the Journey brand, as you can see. Looks nice with the black and brown, tan brown. And on the inside you also have the Journey brand. And this is how it looks on the inside. Very fine quality, very high build quality, and you even have the pairing and charging LED hole. So that's great, and you have the charging open here so you can charge with the case on. So everything looks beautifully. So let's mount this case on the AirPods 3 then. So I've never done that on an AirPods case actually, so hopefully I will do it right. And as you can see here also, you have opening for a strap. If you want to have a strap, you can have that for your AirPods. The strap was not in the box. Let's see again. So I haven't missed any strap. No, you have no strap in the box, just the case. But as you saw, you can even mount a carrying strap, a wrist strap that you can have when carrying this. So let's see how to mount this on the AirPods 3. It should be quite easy, I think. Like so. There you have the bottom. Looks nice. You can see the white through here. Looks really cool. Like that. And now let's see. Probably this way, I think. I hope. Let's try it the other way. You should actually mount the top of the case the other way, not as I did. So you should actually mount it so you have it like this. No space here, no space at all. But on the back side you have this. So this is the way to mount the top of the case for your AirPods 3. So when I open here, you can easily see that this is the way to mount it, because you have the hinge here when opening the case. So that's the way you should mount this, not the other way around that I did. So looks gorgeous to me, this case. That's it for this video. You can find links down below in the description where to buy these. This case for AirPods and watch bands for Apple Watches and so on. You can find links down below where you can buy them. Okay, bye.